Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will see how to write a Python program to find maximum of 3 numbers. This is again a very simple program. I will explain you. So basically, if you have 3 numbers, for example, you have number 1 which is equal to 10, and then you have number 2 which is equal to 20, and then you have number 3 which is equal to 30. Okay. So, you need to find which number is the largest one. Okay. So, here I have taken 3 variables, okay, number 1, number 2 and number 3. So, basically the integers, these are the I have taken 3 variables having data type integer, and I have assigned the value as 10, 20 and 30. For number 1 it is 10, number 2 it is 20 and number 3 it is 30. We will see which one is the largest number, right. So, we will write a Python program and we will see which one is the largest. So, first of all we will write a if condition. Okay. I will explain you everything, do not worry. First let me write the program. Okay. So, first we will write if number 1 is greater than or equal to number 2. Okay. And we will write number 1 is greater than or equal to number 3. Okay. Then what we will tell? We will just print number 1 is the largest. Okay. largest. Okay. Then here we will just write number 1. So, we can print it. Again what we will do? Here we will write one more else if. Else if we will say here number 2 is greater than equal to number 1, okay, and number 2 is greater than equal to number 3. Okay. So, here what we will say? Print number 2 is the largest, and here we will do number 2. If these two condition does not match, then we will say else print number 3 is the largest. Here I will put number 3. Okay. So, number 1 is greater than equal to number 2, number 1 is greater than equal to number 3, number 2 is greater than equal to number 1, number, okay. All good. Let me run it, right. Okay. So, number 3 is the largest, which we see 30. Okay. Then how it is working? That is the main question, right. I need to explain you how it is working. Okay. So, let us see. So, here we have taken number 1 is equal to 10, number 2 is equal to 20 and number 3 is equal to 30. 3 variables we have taken. So, the very first condition, right, the very first if else condition what we have written, right. So, here the code will come here, right. So, the first condition number 1 is greater than equal to number 2. What is the number 1 value? Number 1 value is equal to 10. 10 is greater than equal to number 2. Is it correct? Number 2 value is 20. 10 is greater than equal to 20? No. Anyway, this is not required also. See, and means both the conditions should satisfy. If this condition satisfied and this condition satisfied, then only this statement will execute. So, here the first condition only not matching. 10 is not greater than equal to 20. Again we are telling 10 is not greater than equal to 30 because number 1 and number 3. So, this condition is not matching. Okay. So, this will not execute this one, it will move to the next block else if, right. Here we are telling number 2 is greater than equal to number 1. What is the number 2 value? Number 2 value is 20. 20 is greater than equal to 10? Yes, this is correct, right. And number 2 is greater than equal to number 3. 20 is greater than equal to 30 because number 3 value is 30. 20 is greater than equal to 30? No. So, basically this condition is not matching. Okay. This condition is not satisfied. That is why it will not execute this one. So, you know, when in the if else block, if and else if is not working, the condition is not matched there, then obviously whatever present inside the else block it will print. So, here inside the else block these two conditions did not match, that is why it will come here and it will print number 3 is the largest one, number 3 is the largest one. That is why you saw it here. Okay, let me do this thing. Let us put number 2 as 40, okay, and let me execute. See, number 2 is the largest one, 40. So, how it is working? Let us see. So, again Now number 1 value is equal to 10 and number 2 value is equal to 40. So number 1 10 is greater than number 2 40, no. So this condition didn't match. So basically this statement will not execute. Okay, it will come here. Number 2, which is 40, is greater than equal to number 1. Yes, the condition matched. 40 is greater than equal to 10 and number 2 is greater than equal to number 3. 40 is greater than equal to 30. Yes, this is also matching. So these two conditions matched. Okay, it means it will print this line. Okay, that's why you are seeing number 2 is the largest one. Similarly, I'll just show you, I'll make it 50 and let me execute. See, number 1 is the largest one. So what happened here? If number 1 means 50, 50 is greater than number 2, 50 is greater than 40, yes, and 50 is greater than equal to number 3 is 30, is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So it will print this one, number 1 is the largest one, number 1 is the largest one. So this one is the print statement which will print here. Okay, so now you know how to find maximum of 3 numbers. Okay, if you don't want to give the numbers here, if you want to give the user input, in that case you can just write int then input, okay, enter number 1, okay, and similarly you can write here number 2 and here number 3. Okay, let me just execute and show you once. Okay, so number 1 for example 100, number 2 150 and number 3 120. See, number 2 is the largest one, which is 150. Okay, so this is a very simple program and you can write this program to find maximum of 3 numbers. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and also watch all other Python programs which I have created. I have created a separate Python playlist. Please go and watch all those programs there. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.